Short practice lang all about territories. Facts na yung territories are working in the market. If we build up the story, we have a range around here. Price broke. So immediately from this point to this point, this is a seller's territory. Any price action na mangyari, it belongs to this seller. Pero from this point kasi, tinitignan namin to kahap. I was waiting for a buying opportunities around this area. Pero yung pinaka-target ko lang talaga is dito lang. Ano yung area na yan. Kasi I am still on the big sellers territory na to. So, di ba sabi ko, if you are in a territory, avoid going against it. Pero dito, medyo yung bias ko for that particular time, baliktad. So, as long as nakaset yung mga priorities mo on the trade, naset mo yung plano mo. But this is on the advanced stuff kasi more of a counter trend to on a big higher time frame na territory. Okay? So, as you can see, if I have the buy, I would scale out in this area. Which in this case, hindi ko na-trade to kasi na-miss ko na naman yung pullback na to. This is 8 o'clock. Usually, yung office time ko or yung trading time ko is nasa 8:45, ganyan. So, 9:30, ganun. 9:30 kasi ako nagla-live dun sa private circle namin. Buyers tried to push and fight this seller. Pero nanaig yung seller territory from this area. Thus, the price went down. Okay, in this seller's favor. So, ganun lang, ganun lang, sample lang ng territories kasi from the past couple of months or couple of weeks talagang downtrend talaga. So, talagang malakas yung, yung seller momentum from this point. So, yun, hope this video helped you out. See you sa next.
Euro USD naman, same with pero nasa class B siya. Pwede rin. So, ito lang yung parang in-eyeball ko lang na resistance this area. Hindi pa siya kompleto. So antayin ko muna na mag-subside yung buyer na to. Kasi inside this seller's territory, merong buyer's territory sa area na to. So antayin ko muna mamatay. Humina yung buyer dito. So pag nag-push pa siya siguro. So hindi pa siya kompleto. Pwede naman mag-buy, pero konti lang kasi ito, ilang ba? 30 pips. Tingnan natin kung makakuha tayo ng ganda. Pero medyo extended na rin siya to the downside. So, baka late stages na lang sell. So, tingnan natin. Pwedeng may reversal in this area. Kasi support in this area. So, pwedeng double bottom, Tingnan natin. Pwede pa rin sell, may chance pa rin. Lagyan ko lang din ng alert. Mas maganda sana pag matusok niya tong high na to. Price is poking the highs. Not force it. Good night, good night. I'm looking for buy dito sana. For euro. Kaso, conflict naman pagka, let's say, pag gusto ko mag-buy dito, anong sabi nung PAG USD, so baka pwede rin siyang so, tingnan natin kung anong gagawin nyo. Parang gusto nyo tumaas din tong PAG USD, baka spike lang tong nangyari dito. Spike sa 4 hours pwede, so tingnan natin. Kasi ano bang sinasabi DXY? DXY gusto nyang bumaba so most likely baka mahila sila, lalo tang Euro USD. So if mag short term bearish tayo sa DXY, pwedeng possible na buy for this one. Dito. For Euro USD. Pa-digest niya lang to seller. Titignan ko kung makakain.